arrive at platform 1.
Basta babalik ako. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng metro train. Kaya punta tayo ng Riga. Ayan. Okay itong metro train dito kasi dito ngayon ako sa VIP. Sana meron kang gold card. Ayan. Kaya save ka rito. So, mamaya ulit tayo mag-video. So what's up guys, now I'm here with my roommate Emwe sa our juice junkie bar. So we will go to Salah Aldin. So we will go to Marco Polo. Emwe, say hi to my vlog. Hello. He's from Myanmar. Okay? So we will go now to inside. It's too much people, crowded. So I'll update you later, okay? Yo, what's up? So we are here now in Salahadin metro station with my juice junkie, Mr. Emwe from Myanmar. Now we will go out. We will go to Marco Polo Hotel.
No, it's not Marco Polo. Behind the Marco Polo.
Oh, so she said it's behind Marco Polo. So I'm using a gold card. This gold card is only for the VIP train. I'm using this one only once a month if I will go places that very far. So I'm using this one because on that side of the train it's not busy and it's not crowded. Okay. So, but the guy said this is Marco Polo Hotel. In the YouTube, he said it's Marco Polo Hotel. Yeah. And he said exit 2. So this is exit 2, right? Exit 2, right? So we are here. So now we will go walking with my juice junkie stuff. It's our first time to make bonding, me and Emwe. Most of the time, this bonding is gym and church. For me, only church, no gym, because I have a heart problem and I don't want to. And I'm still asking for my cardiologist if I can go make some weights. I need it because I'm already now I'm getting back to 92. Before I'm already 89, so I need to ask my cardiologist. So I will just update you if we are already in the hotel, okay?
You know the place or not?
No, I don't know, that's why.
And then how you find it?
In TikTok.
Yeah. And then you already confirmed?
Yes. Yeah, 39. And then they said, I asked if there's we will pay about for the locker to put our things. No, they don't have locker. They have only table. So we will put their table. We can ask, no? Kabayan, saan po yung Marco Polo Hotel dito?
Yan po.
Ito po.
Straight, tapos tawid ka po, yung building na green.
Salamat po.
I know, I'm okay with this one.
Sorry, I thought you're just searching. You did not tell me. If you tell me, I will not ask. See, here in the video that we're arguing, we are just like that. Normally, we are normal like that. Also in the store, we are like that. We teasing each other, we are responding like that. So don't comment that why you're fighting in the road like this. No, we are normally like that. We are normal people.
You're crazy.
See, he said that I'm crazy.
You're not normal.
I'm not normal. To all my staff, Myanmar staff there in Qatar, I have one of your kabayan, MW. This guy, if you're crazy there, this is crazy also. Okay? So we are almost near. Oh, this one, we are already here. That one, Marco Polo Hotel. So in front of Allega. Oh, they have nice park here. In Satwa, you will not see like this. Yeah, you will see park, basketball, but like this one, oh man, no.
It's like around 5 to 6.
Very hot or crowded?
Very crowded.
Oh. So we will.
Is that hotter? No, right?
Yeah,
Marco Polo hotter?
yeah.
So where you go? You go from
This is Kita Kids, right? We will go to Kita Kids. Ah, the entrance is there inside. Hi po, ma'am. Ma'am, saan po ito yung Kita Kids?
Kitaki?
Ay, sorry, I thought you're Filipino.
So you wanna go to Kitaki?
Yeah.
Kitaki, you will be open 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Oh,
Now not open. You have okay?
yeah.
Okay, 6 o'clock.
I said 4 o'clock, yeah.
Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Ay, bro, it's my kabayan.
What's your name, sister?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mia? MW. MW, Mia.
Buffet trong này. Buffet rồi.
We have,
quên mà sao?
we have booking 4 o'clock. They said come 4 o'clock.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check.
Okay.
I told you just confirm first.
What
What do you see? It's not open.
Sapna? Kitaki today open 4 o'clock. Do you have any occasion? No? Okay, not open.
Guys, nandito na kami loob sa Marco Polo. Nagtanong kami sa reception, nung sabi 6 o'clock pa daw yung bukas ng Kita Kids. Eh, nagpa-reserve ako ng 4 o'clock, di man lang ako in-inform. So, nadidisappoint ako. Nayatuloy ako dito kay Emwe. Kasi nga, nakaka-bad trip. Update ko kayo. Nandito na kami. Yan, ito yung pool. Ito, kasama to sa Kita Kids na 39 dirhams, buffet siya. Unlimited. So may free access siya sa pool. Yan, ito yung pool. Yung jacuzzi nila. Yan, andito yung changing room. Yung shower, yan. Yan, ito. Yan, maganda dito, tahimik. No diving. So, ito ay 5.6. Oh my God. Yan. Si Emwe is already preparing. So, yan guys. Yeah, so, we're ready to swim. So, mag-enjoy lang kami ha. Yun, nandito na kami sa loob ng Kita Kids. Yan, kung makikita nyo. Si Ma'am Judy. Yan. Wala pang ganun tao. Okay. Ito yung pool area. Pool, ibig sabihin bilyar ha. Tapos yung stage nila band, yan. Andun yung buffet. Yan, saka yung bar. Yan. Yan, maluwag dito. Maganda. Cozy siya, cozy. Yan, so may access. Okay. So may access daw sa pool. Yan, si Emwe nagbablog na. May access daw sa pool pag nag-buffet ka or even nag-walk-in ka, nagpa-reserve ka, pwede. So, yan, dito. Cozy talaga siya, maganda siya, comfortable. Ayan, no? Maluwag. Yan, maluwag siya. Maluwag. Okay? Emwe, say hi. So, nakabis na ako. Ayan, nakashort na. Ito si Emwe. Oh, wow, Hanks! Lifeguard? Are you lifeguard? Oh, yan oh. So, ay, ako di ako pwede maghubad kasi ang laki ng aking tiyan, no? So, yan, nandito kami. Ngayon, mag-swimming na kami. Magsisimula kami mag-swimming. So, mag-enjoy lang kami, okay? Yun. Nagsimula na ako mag-swimming. Yan, nabasa na nga. Nabasa na. Pahinga lang ako. Ayan si Emwe, oh. Emwe! Say hi to my vlog. Malulubat na ako. So, hanggang dito ko na tinatapos tong video na to. So, dito sa Kita Kids, free pool, 39 dirhams, free food with 1 drinks. So, cozy siya gaya na sinabi ko kanina. Komportable ka, maganda yung view, may banda, may bilyar. So, pwede to sa mga grupo. Sa mga grupo, pwede to. So, advice ko sa inyo, punta kayo dito lang sa may Marco Polo, sa may Dera Hotel. Marco Polo Hotel sa may Dera, okay? So, stay safe tayo, eat healthy, okay? Always think God first, kaya nga Nisko Mereno. Lagi tayo manampalataya sa mahal na pong sinanas na, okay? Peace out.